So I had to switch the pan because that wasn't convenient for me, because you really need a handle. And that didn't have the handle. I just bought that one and I wanted to try, but it's not convenient for this kind of food. And you just like circle until you make a circle. It doesn't have to be even. Then you let it sit for a few seconds and then you flip it again. So we're gonna flip this. See, only a few seconds. Got to this point, golden brownish, and then you let it sit here for a few seconds. I'm almost done. It's quick. It's quick, and you can make it for lunch, because if you put a cheese, then you just add stuff on the side inside, because we didn't put any sugar and anything inside, so you can do either or. And then you see this one is done. Yeah. And I'm gonna go on the other one. Oh. A little bit of oil, then you spread it like this, and then you pour the rest, because we don't want oil a lot inside. And you spread it like this and keep it a few seconds. So I'm doing it with Nutella and pekmez. It's a gem from plums. I have to think about how do you say it in English. We need this. Okay, so I'm gonna do Nutella first, because everybody loves Nutella. And they're still hot, so you can let them cool off for just a little bit, but you don't have to, because it's the best if you put this on the hot and eat it while they are still warm and hot. You can do a glass of milk. For kids, it's perfect. And you put it like this. Now you can add anything you want inside, from fruits to nuts, anything really that you like inside, and make it even more richer. But for now, I'm just gonna do it with Nutella, because I know we're gonna eat it with milk. And try not to make it like too thick when you go like this, so they can come nice. And then we do the ooh. Look at that. It's good with this too. Wait, almost mixed it. I'm gonna put that on the side, on the other side, so we know that that's with that, because kids love it with Nutella, but adults sometimes will take jam. And now I'm gonna make 2 of this, and I'm gonna go back with Nutella. And here you go, we got it. So I'm gonna take one. You serve it with the milk. It is so good. And it's tasty. I'm gonna come closer so you can see. It is so good. I'm gonna tease a little bit more. It is so good. So if you like it, please like, subscribe, so you don't miss any more of my treats. Thank you.